First, the plan. In this video, we'll start with why lambdas exist and the pain they remove, then define what a lambda actually is in one line. After that, we convert two real examples, runnable and comparator, cover the three shapes and the built-in toolkit, and finish with method references and lambdas in streams. So in the simplest possible words, a lambda is a small nameless function. It's just a piece of behavior, some code, that you can store in a variable or pass into a method, written as input, arrow, output. That's the whole idea. Everything after this is just detail. Before Java 8, to pass a single piece of behavior, like what run should do, you wrote a whole anonymous class, 6 lines of ceremony for 1 line of real logic. Here's the secret that makes lambdas possible. Runnable is what we call a functional interface. It has exactly one method called run. Comparator is one too. Its only method is compare. Because there's just one method, the compiler can always tell which one you mean, so you never have to name it. So watch what we can cross out. New runnable, gone because the type is already written on the left. Public void run, gone because there's only one method to fill in. The braces go to, the one thing that truly matters is the body. Add empty parentheses for run's missing inputs, then an arrow, and 6 lines become 1. Now an example with inputs. Comparator's compare method takes 2 strings, A and B. We strip away the very same ceremony, but this time the parameters carry over. Keep A and B, keep the body that subtracts their lengths, and you get open parent, A, comma, B, close parent, arrow, a dot length minus B dot length. So every conversion follows one rule. From a one-method interface, keep only two things, the method's parameters and its body, and put an arrow between them. Java infers all the rest, the type, the method name, and the return. That body can take 3 shapes, no parameters, empty parentheses, arrow, value. One parameter, just the name, arrow, expression. The parentheses are optional. Many parameters or several statements use parentheses and a block with a return. You'll rarely write your own interface. Java ships the common ones. Predicate tests a value and returns true or false. Function transforms one value into another. Consumer takes a value and does something with it. Supplier takes nothing and gives a value back. And when your lambda does nothing but call one existing method, you can shorten it to a method reference using the double colon. S arrow s dot length becomes string double colon length. Same meaning, less noise. Where does all of this pay off? The stream API, filter, map for each step simply takes a lambda, so you can read your data processing like a sentence instead of writing loops. Quick recap, a lambda works on a one-method interface. You delete the ceremony Java already knows and keep just the parameters and the body joined by an arrow. It has 3 shapes, it can shrink to a method reference, and it's the engine behind streams. Now make it stick. Take the topic test and climb the leaderboard. The link is in the description below. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one-on-one connect.